When it comes to upgrading or repairing your windows, choosing the right company can make all the difference. While many local window contractors promise quality work, High Springs Window Services stands apart by delivering a level of care, expertise, and reliability that homeowners truly notice. From the first consultation to the final installation, the difference isn't just in the windows, it's in the experience. A truly customer-first approach. One of the biggest distinctions with High Springs Window Services is the commitment to putting customers first. Instead of pushing one-size-fits-all solutions, the team takes time to understand each homeowner's needs, budget, and goals. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, or replace aging windows, recommendations are based on what's best for your home, not what's fastest or most profitable. Clear communication is another key advantage. Customers know exactly what to expect, from timelines and costs to product options and installation steps. This transparency builds trust and eliminates the stress that often comes with home improvement projects. Deep knowledge of local homes and climate. High Springs homes have their own character, architectural styles, and climate-related challenges. High Springs Window Services brings local expertise that many general contractors simply don't have. Understanding Florida's heat, humidity, and storm conditions allows the team to recommend window solutions that truly perform over time. From impact-resistant options to energy-efficient glass that reduces heat transfer, every recommendation is tailored to local conditions. This ensures windows don't just look good on day one but continue to protect and insulate your home for years. Superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. Window installation is as much about precision as it is about the product itself. Even the highest quality windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. High Springs Window Services stands out for its meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. Installers take the time to measure accurately, prepare openings properly, and seal windows thoroughly. This results in smoother operation, better insulation, and a polished finish that blends seamlessly with your home. Customers often notice fewer drafts, less outside noise, and a more comfortable indoor environment almost immediately. High-quality products without the sales pressure. Unlike some local window contractors who focus heavily on sales quotas, High Springs Window Services prioritizes quality and value. Customers are offered a curated selection of reliable window options that balance durability, performance, and aesthetics. Instead of overwhelming homeowners with unnecessary upgrades, the team explains the benefits of each option in plain language. This empowers customers to make informed decisions without feeling rushed or pressured. Reliable scheduling and respect for your home. Another major difference is reliability. High Springs Window Services respects your time and your space. Appointments are kept, timelines are honored, and crews arrive prepared. Work areas are kept clean, and care is taken to protect floors, walls, and landscaping throughout the project. This level of professionalism makes the process smoother and more comfortable, especially for families who are living in their homes during installation. Ongoing support and long-term value. The relationship doesn't end when the installation is complete. High Springs Window Services stands behind its work and remains available for questions, maintenance guidance, or future projects. This long-term support gives homeowners confidence that their investment is protected. When you choose High Springs Window Services, you're not just hiring a contractor, you're partnering with a local team that values quality, integrity, and customer satisfaction. That commitment is what truly sets them apart from other local window contractors and why so many homeowners continue to recommend them year after year.